Today, guys, we're going to play cat. Are you excited, guys, with my sis? Sis, what are you doing? I'm playing free. Oh my god! If you break something, Dragon will be mad, right? Yes, we're going to play with my sis. This game. Oh my god, this is taking forever. Let's just pause the video. There we go. So we're here. Okay. Let's play.
So let's do this.
What are you doing? Okay, so
I'm just playing another game. I want to play Iron Cat. Later I will play that.
So quiet. So we're gonna play now, guys. I'm Ka. But before we start, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Guys, when will this start? Guys, let's just pause the vid. Wait. There, guys. Bro, this is so loud, bro. So loud. Wait. Okay.
Look how they start.
Wait.
Get off.
So, okay, there.
On.
Quiet. I'm making a full video. So wait, we can't get this first out. We need first to, okay. So let's make Granny die. Okay, Granny will faint if we just look at. Guys, why is this so slow? Bro, what the bro? My screen is
how you're gonna climb.
so slow. Sorry guys, I covered my camera because my hand is in the one camera.
Why did you slowly?
I don't know. Because I'm recording my screen, bro. No, Granny. Oh, bro, I actually fell. Guys,
So I need to.
Granny is actually looking at me. So, bro, when I fall, oh my god, she's coming, bro. Granny's coming. Look, sis. No fun out, you know. Bro.
You can't fall for me.
Funny. Granny, you thought you can fall for my trick. Okay, so you just go up. Oh yes, because that's the one showing over here. So wait. Okay, this is my fastest as I can. Okay.
That's not how to climb the ladders fast.
Because my bro, what just happened? Okay.
Bro, I want to, but you.
There, so this I'm cut. Whoa, my mission complete. I got, bro. This is sad.
I don't like cassava.
Wait.
Car. 7-Eleven
Okay.
coins. So I need to make some 11 claims. Store claims.
Just don't rate. Okay, try to
Because I had a
get
big here.
in
What a
this
plane.
thing. Don't wait. Is that a playground? Bro, I actually
that
got
trash?
in. Just quiet. I actually go in here, but let's try to get up and up until I find it. Okay, so let's go down. Oh, over. Oh, Granny's looking at the window. Wait, we can see the bus and the key card, but wait,
29.
I
Lola,
can't
gusto mo
see
yung
the key card.
cheese? Gusto ko na yung
Gusto ko na yung
red na cheese.
yung cheese.
Yung gusto niya.
Dapat ay naliligo.
Okay, wait. Here, so we're gonna try to pop, bro. Actually, pop. Oh, there's the bus. Wait, guys, if you can see the bus, I just gonna
46,
show you there.
47.
It's over here.
48,
Whoa,
49.
this is the actual bus. Look, sis. There's the bus.
Yes, it's
Look, sis. That's the bus.
Wait, why did you draw?
Okay, wait for Granny. Kotrianya, Kotrianya. Kotrianya, Kotrianya. Bye.